I'm John the Maintenance Man. And as summer approaches, I want to talk to you about ceiling fan rotation. To maximize efficiency in your home, fans should blow cold air down in warm weather and draw up warm air in the colder months. As the season changes, it is important to check to see which direction your blades are spinning and change the rotation if necessary. Let me show you how to change this fan to a counterclockwise rotation. With most fans, when air is blowing down, the blades will rotate counterclockwise as you look up. And when air is being drawn up, the blades will rotate clockwise. First, we need to turn off the power to the fan and be sure the fan is stopped before adjusting any settings on that fan. After the power is off and the blades have stopped spinning, next thing we need to do is find the switch that is on the side of your fan housing and push that in the opposite direction. Summertime, most of the time, it will be down. We're going to go ahead and turn our switch back on. Make sure the fan is going in the proper direction. If for some reason you are uncomfortable doing this, please call your maintenance department. We will walk you through it or stop by to help you out. Remember, we are all in this together. I'm John the Maintenance Man. Thank you for watching.